Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Right guys, today's video we're going to be looking at subtracting in standard form. Okay, so last lesson we were looking at how to add numbers in standard form. Okay, this video we are going to look at 3 examples and I'll give you one to try at the end for how to actually subtract like in standard form. Right guys, so standard form actually so like a little recap. So it's a times 10 to the b. So it's a number between 1 and 10 times 10 to the power of something. And that something depends, okay, if the number's bigger than 0, then it's a large number. If b is less than 0, then it's a decimal number or value. Okay, and then I'll put on the side actually, like a little side rule actually, if b is equal to 0, then we have obviously 10 to the power of 0, which is just 1. So remember guys, anything to the power of 0 is always going to be 1. Right guys, so how to subtract here in standard form actually. So it's exactly the same rule here as yesterday's lesson when we were looking at how to add numbers in standard form. All we do here, so if the base powers, if the powers are the same, all we do is just subtract the numbers. So example 1, work out the following, giving your answer in standard form actually. 10 times 10 to the 9 minus 4 times 10 to the 9. Okay, so the powers are the same, so all I do is just subtract. 10 minus 4 is going to be 6, so it's 6 times 10 to the 9. Okay, so the answer to example 1 actually, so it's 6 times 10 to the 9. Okay, so if the powers are the same, all I do is subtract, and if they're different, which I'm just about to come on to now actually, we have to change and adjust one of the powers, so the powers end up being the same, and then we follow the step from example 1 actually. Okay, example number 2, 6 times 10 to the 7 minus 5 times 10 to the 7. Okay, so 6 minus 5 is going to be 1. 1 times 10 to the 7, so that would be my answer, 1 times 10 to the 7. Right guys, example number 3, 16 times 10 to the 8 minus 14 times 10 to the 6. Okay, so here obviously we've got a bit of an issue because 10 to the power of 8 and 10 to the power of 6 are not the same. So I have to convert one of the powers, okay, one of the standard form, one of the brackets are into the same power. So what I did was the second one I tried to make it so it was power of 8. So it was not. So what I did was to bump that up to 10 to the power of 8. I had to divide 14 by 10 to the power of 2, so 14 by 100, which gave me 0.14. So it's 16 times 10 to the 8 minus 0.14 times 10 to the 8. It is now in the same base powers, so it'll be 16 minus 0.14, which is 15.86 times 10 to the 8. Which is not in standard form actually, because 15 is a number bigger than 10. So the answer at the end for example 3 is 1.586 times 10 to the 9. Okay, remember that standard form actually has to be a number between 1 and 10. And then lastly guys, just to make it a bit more trickier, can you try here example 4? So example 4 is 15 times 10 to the minus 5 minus 3 times 10 to the minus 6. So try that question here and I will put the solutions, okay. I will obviously edit my description in tomorrow's video, in tomorrow's video, and I will put the solution here obviously to this in the next video and also in the description below. But I will allow that 48 hours here obviously to put it in the description in case obviously someone obviously watches my video tomorrow or even on Saturday. Right guys, thank you for watching. Please do make sure to drop this video a like. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and please make sure that you enable the notification bell to get more videos from me actually. Okay, so tomorrow's video will be like a new topic, so I'll be moving on to like a different topic. And if you're interested actually, today's video, obviously we are looking at like grade 4/5 work, okay, for GCSE maths actually, and key stage 3. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. But please do obviously try example 4. So the answer to example 1 actually, if you're interested, is 6 times 10 to the 9, and the answer to example 3 is 1.586 times 10 to the 9. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Happy Thursday, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.